पिवपा उदका खात्यान अंडरग्राउंड वॉटर थेफ्ट्स नोंद केल्यात. हे फाटभुंयेर उपाय काडपाच्या यत्नाविशीं खात्यान माहिती दिली.
We have to really dug out and see where the theft is. It is not possible to eliminate everything. Leakages are to the extent of 28% and water theft is at least something 10-12%. If we can reduce it by another 5%, then 5% is a big volume, which can give you a serve two constituencies extra. So आम्ही थेफ्ट कशें आसा ते पळोवपाक मेकॅनिझम करतात. ताजे खातीर आमी प्रेशर घालतले, 2 एंडाचे प्रेशर घालून हाव मेनी connections are given, how much water will be drawn and how much pressure is low. Accordingly, there is a theft which is not counted on any of the meters. So this is the way we are trying to fix 2 poles, and within those 2 poles, आम्ही जर pressure घाले equipment devices and find out 50 years old pipelines we are trying to get replaced. Right now there is a leakages over 40% of the water is going waste. We have plans to get the meters, smart meters, digitized meters. घराकडेन बसून you will be able to see how much water my house म्हणजे घराक कितें consume जाता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगूण गावडे.